Hello, dear colleagues. I am Dr. Unal from Hacettepe University, Ankara, Turkey. I am the chair of the Turkish Society of Hospital Infection and Control. And this year, we are very lucky and honored to host the 33rd International Congress of Chemotherapy 2024 in Istanbul, together with the International Society of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy. Our program committee has prepared a very strong one, including the subjects from antimicrobial susceptibility testings, wars and infectious diseases, artificial intelligence and infectious diseases, bacteriophage therapy, infection control, and many more. And beyond that, Istanbul is a lovely city, as you know, connecting Europe to Asia, full of history. I'm sure it will be a very successful, strong Congress and pleasureful time in Istanbul. As one of the co-chairs, I invite you to join us in this beautiful activity. See you all in Istanbul.